Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add location to your Instagram post. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now select a photo from your gallery. Then tap on the arrow icon on top right corner. You can edit the photo as you like. Since I've already edited it, I'll move on. Tap on the arrow icon on top right corner. Now you can write a caption. I'll just name it Epic Sunset. Then you can tag your friends. And then just beneath that, you can add location. Tap on that and search for the location you want. When you are done, tap on the tick icon on top right corner. And that's how you can add location on Instagram. Now if you tap on the location, you will see other posts from this location. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.